Welcome back to UPCI Music Ministry. Today we're going to discuss Joy by Eddie James. Okay, so this song is in F. It's at 130 BPM. We're going to use mainly the same guitar tone throughout, just kind of a mid to high gain crunch. I'm using a Marshall style amp. You feel free to use whatever you like. That's what my chord tone is. Okay, so the intro is actually the most probably difficult part of the song. Is on the second 4 and is when the intro starts. So we're going to hit the 1 and go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the notes for that, for my numbers guys, like I said, we're in F, so we're starting off on the 4 to the 3 to the 1 to the 6 to the flat 7. For you actual note guys, we're going to go for B flat, A, F, D, E flat. That's the first half. Second half, we're going to shift down a whole step. And we're going to start on the flat 3 to the 2, flat 7, 5. Alright, so it's a G sharp, G, E flat, C. That's not the whole thing, but after that, we're going to go back up to the 1 and then hit a 7. And then we're going to resolve on a 1 on the 1 for the power chord. So that whole thing played slow. Up to speed.